You see, as far as the markets are concerned, there's absolutely no trading that can happen.
Dude, we have zero discipline. If this is there, we'll eat it.
ये करण का अभी करण की प्रेजेंट गर्लफ्रेंड
So of course, I'm a feminist, bro. What are you talking?
I know.
A lot of people think I'm a bloody idiot. A lot of people think I chill on my dad's money. You saw Saurabh Joshi's marriage videos? चलो अंदर चलो
सिट 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 मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है फिना
ठीक है सादे पराठे के साथ अब वेरी देसी बचपन में हम बिल्कुल नहीं खाते थे ये सब and as you grow older you basically become your parents. So this was the real breakfast. Egg sandwich. Yum zers. We take this for travel also. Travels very well.
और तो टेढ़ फिसल गया।
गगत क्या कर रही थी?
टेढ़ आप कैसे हार गए? जा पकड़, टेढ़ पकड़, पकड़ उसको।
You see, as far as the markets are concerned, there's absolutely no trading that can happen because we are directionally below the 10 and the 50 moving average. So you see this circle, this is where all the trouble began because that's when you started breaking below the 50 moving average. Since then, actually, you should not be trading. This also means that this 2-day rally that we saw should not have been traded at all. If you can employ this discipline, naturally, you can go very far in life. But there's another stock that is resisting this decline, and that's very interesting. Let's go check it out. Now, not everything is gonna fall with the market, but this setup is incredibly interesting if you look at it for a moment here. We had this long downtrend and we formed a base. Now, the breach from that base is not an ordinary breach. We had a pretty tremendous breach here. It would be wise to measure this breach, and there was about a 54% breach. Post this 54% breach, we pulled back about 19%. It's a bit deep, but no problem. It was all around the 21 moving average, which is completely fine. And then you form a volatility contraction. So this is your first low, this is your second low, and this is your third low. And today you have broken out. I personally have not taken a position because of the market sentiment. But if you wish to trade this, you should only trade it with an incredibly tiny position size because it may find a certain pullback. Let's see what the general market is up to. The general market is also looking very non-directional. So anyway, this is how we're basically looking at stocks. Like a beetroot juice before the gym. Because if you look at plant-based pre-workouts, they have beetroot in it because apparently beetroot has caffeine. Even apple has caffeine.
and then you're taking coffee on top.
Yeah, because I'm gonna lift, of course. This is coffee, and this is the Mashur Rusk of Dehradun. Dude, we have zero discipline. If this is there, we'll eat it. If it's not there, then we
Then
won't.
we won't ask for it.
We won't ask for it. But अगर है तो हम खा लेंगे. So if you think we are disciplined, we are not. We're just good at the art of removing things,
Things, yeah.
which is fine.
I mean, whatever works.
Whatever works. Just know yourself very well. You don't take coffee?
No.
क्यों?
I had juice.
तभी तो weight नहीं उठता. After the yummy juice, coffee time, then gym time. It's a push day. I'm going to take it easy this entire week. It's going to be like a deload. Don't want to stress the nervous system. Bench press, maybe I'll stop at 80, 90 kilos. But let's see how the strength feels. 80, 90. With lat pull downs, I'll stop at 50, 60, 65. You know, really go easy. And give the body a rest. Just show up every day.
So I'm keeping this. Do you want that other my protein way to be kept for you?
Nahi.
No, this one. Babu.
Bye.
This-
My ex-girlfriend.
This way.
हाँ
The new pack. Like
हाँ हाँ unflavored ना
हाँ.
हाँ ये रख लो
ये करण का अभी करण की प्रेजेंट गर्लफ्रेंड ये इसी डब्बे में
My
डाल दो.
present
ये उसी में डाल दो. मिक्स कर दो.
नहीं फ्लेवर्स डिफरेंट है
ये लाइम एंड लेमन है. वहाँ भी लाइम एंड लेमन पड़ा है.
हाँ फिर ठीक है
तू क्या समझता है? और इसका ये भी सही है. ये भी दे दो अनफ्लेवर्ड.
ये वनीला है
हाँ वनीला भी दे दो.
हाँ
वो मीठा करते हैं सब.
We're giving it away. Give away. कितने गंदे और शूज.
Last financial year. But total नहीं है ना इसमें.
Calculate करो.
1st April 2024 से 8th December 2024.
I love चना. बता शाम को क्या खाएं? पिज्जा अच्छा तो मिलता नहीं कहीं. I wanna have something guilt free, but बाहर का, घर का नहीं.
बॉडी शेपर में जो वो लगा हुआ.
हाय हाय. इसको पता होगा. रूखे चावल कौन खाता है दही के साथ?
माँ मोटी की दाल खाएगी, राजमा वाली दाल, मखनी दाल का.
बस यही होता है जब होम साइंस स्किप करो.
कभी थी नहीं होम साइंस.
खाएगी वो दाल तो गरम करवा ले.
Vani has made a video,
Yes,
a reel. चलो देखते हैं.
Reel
What
है.
inspired you to make a video?
because obviously you, because you've taught me how to do that. And I was thinking बहुत टाइम से, मैंने finally कर दिया.
What are your goals with content?
Don't know yet.
Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to know. Even I didn't know. If it takes off, would you want to do it full time?
I think I can do it as a side hustle. Definitely.
What sort of content do you want to make?
I think I wanted to be mindful, but I also wanna do things that I like. Like I wanna discuss art and a bit of
Like Sanvi.
fashion. Huh?
Like Sanvi from Chandigarh.
But she does books, right?
She does more of books and shows now.
But art is different.
And she does feminist content.
You wanna put this up?
Of course. Of course. I'm a feminist, bro. What are you talking?
I know. कितना बड़ा feminist हुआ.
Chal dikha. Let's see. All I'll say is keep going, basically. Try to provide value, be authentic, express your thoughts for the world to consume, and someone will resonate with you. A lot of people think I'm a bloody idiot. A lot of people think I chill on my dad's money. A lot of people think I'm providing value. So there's gonna be all kinds of folks. You saw Saurabh Joshi's marriage videos. He's getting trolled. He's the most viral YouTuber in India, right? But he's getting trolled for his marriage. Some are saying the marriage is far too simple. But when
His choice.
it's his choice, but when marriages are opulent, then you judge them. If marriages are basic, then you judge them.
You judge him by
They
his
say his
style.
girl's hairstyle is not good enough. Bro, her bloody choice. But money is not the point. The point is
Freedom of
live and let
choice.
live. Yeah, maybe his taste is not most conventionally aesthetic. Who cares? Let the guy enjoy. Nasty comments and stuff. Which also tells you that the internet is never truly yours. It is yours till the day you provide what they want. And the day you digress, they try to tear you down. But if you have a thick skin, which I think he does, doesn't really matter.
Do you think you have a thick skin?
I think I do. Rabb diya mein, we don't care. But yeah, you get the point. Live and let live. Most important. But keep going.
Also finance content,
You want to do finance?
but abhi I think I'm still learning myself. So
Good. Alright, let's quickly make ourselves a little protein shake. Gabbu, always boca, not nice. Oh, nice. This comes out, man. I didn't know that.
मटेरियल क्या है ये?
Inside is all steel.
ये वाइट वाला भी नहीं, अंदर वाइट वाला.
No, I think that's the plastic bit. Alright, lifted quite heavy in the gym. 110 kilograms, 5 reps. We'll take a bit of protein powder. 1.5 scoops should do it. This is 1 1/4. And we'll take creatine as well. This is 3 grams per serving. So we'll take 2. I ran out of my creatine, so I've just borrowed it. Hey. Asmat. Yeah, सारा गंद मच गया. The staff hates me at home for all this.
But Carl will be a nice guy and clean it up himself.
I will. Tissue से. Yum it looks. Coffee flavor. Beautiful. गीले कपड़े से
Sensory skills.
साफ करवाना पड़ेगा. एक गीला कपड़ा लाना है, थोड़ा प्रोटीन गिर गया. Thank you.
Let's go over the simple things first. So schedule.
The market fell 2.3% today. And while no one could have precisely predicted this fall, but the weakness in the market has been quite palpable since a while. Exposure देख ले, कम exposure भी चलेगा.
वो तो बाद में भी set हो सकता.
Got back from the gym a while ago and gonna make myself a protein shake. Alright, so that was the day. Now it is time to shower. Tomorrow, very busy. A lot of sessions, a lot of work, but thanks for joining and hope you're enjoying the renewed sort of consistency when it comes to content.